Are you tired of trying to fit all your gear into your car and still having to leave things behind? Consider the Car Topper Storage by RoofPax. With its spacious design and high-quality, waterproof construction, you can trust it to keep your belongings safe and secure on the road. The Car Topper Storage by RoofPax is available in 3 sizes: 15 cubic feet, 19 cubic feet, and 23 cubic feet. It's designed to work seamlessly with any sized car or SUV, whether you have a roof rack or not. With its versatile design, it can be quickly and easily installed in minutes using raised side rails, crossbars, roof racks, or baskets. And if none of these are installed, you can always use the included 6-door hook straps, which attach under the door's rubber seal gasket. Installation and filling the Car Topper Storage by RoofPax is a breeze. Simply strap it to your car roof using the included hook straps and pack everything you need for your next trip. So, if you're ready to hit the road with all your gear in tow, consider the Car Topper Storage by RoofPax. Order yours today and make packing a stress-free experience.